Hello, my beautiful besties. My name is Gigi, and this is Down for Glam. Welcome back to the channel. I had a request on a video recently by Angela asking that we either work with decals or foils. And I don't actually have any decals, but I do have foils. So I'm going to go ahead and just wipe off this back to make sure that we are nice and clean. And I do that because the Queen, Kirsty Meakin, does it. And if it's good enough for her, it's good enough for me. The foil we're using today is this one. Now I have 5 tips painted with Mifa Perfect Black, which is around here somewhere. Sorry, this is the top coat. And they are actually top coated, but with Kiara Sky top coat, because I know for a fact that Kiara Sky really likes the pigments, and we're going to work with those as well. The reason we're going to do that is when I don't actually have that foil glue. All I can use is either a sticky or polish or a base coat, and so it doesn't really give you the whole sheet. So we're going to use this blue underneath it to sort of mimic it. And I'm going to go ahead and just rub that in. Isn't it so miraculous how that works? Look at that. Oh, that just gives me so much life. Now this particular nail, I'm actually going to leave the peacock color. Ooh, which that's sort of what it looks like to me, is like a purpley, bluey peacock color. I know in the camera there, it is reading a little more blue. Let me move the light, maybe that'll help. No, not so much. Not so much. I'm going to bring it back. Sorry, you guys. Boom, boom, boom. And almost. There we go. Okay, I'm actually going to top coat this one real quick because I'm not going to do anything else with this nail. We're just going to let it stand the way it is. Oh, look at how rich that looks. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm going to pop that in the lamp and we'll just let it sit there. Okay, now on these other ones, I'm going to go ahead and rub this pigment in, and then we'll go on to the next step. Okay, so I went on ahead and just did these partially. I wanted a little bit of that black peeking out. I just think it looks kind of cute. So what I'm going to do now is base coat both of these, and then the parts of these that I want to stick the foil to. up, let's go ahead and put some foil on. I went on ahead and zoomed out a tiny bit because it seemed like the color was showing up better that way. I'm going to pick it up, it just works better if I'm holding it. And the reason that we went on ahead and did the blue background is so anywhere that the foil doesn't stick, we still have a really shiny, amazing color to enjoy. And because we don't have foil glue, we're going to have a lot of spots that don't stick. But that's okay, because we're still in the color family. Okay, we may have gotten this one stuck as much as we can. Alright. This greenish color down at the bottom, oh, it gives me so much joy. Actually, the whole thing gives me joy. I need to get some more foils and some foil, actual foil gel glue, blah, blah, blah. And I want those ones that have like flowers. Ooh, so pretty. Now on this one, I'm just going to do these down at the bottom. Excuse me. We're gonna keep it at a slant. Just let it maybe be a little tiny bit up there. Just as sort of a scattery ombre effect. I don't, yeah, I'm gonna give it that, right? And we're going to do the same thing, but the opposite direction. Let's try to get some of that green in there. And just a tiny bit. Just kisses up there. That's all. And like I said, we are going to leave this one completely blue. I think it just looks really nice. Oh, guys. I am stupid excited about how pretty this came out. I'm going to go ahead and start this top coat process. Let's go ahead and bring this in so we're a little closer again. Wow, that top coat just brings it to life. Look at that. Okay, we have all got to give Angela a big thank you in the comment section below for inspiring this set with her request. Besties, if you have something you would like me to try on the channel, please let me know. That's what we're here for, learning and growing and enjoying nail art together. So don't be afraid to ask. If I'm able, I will. But some things I don't have. So if I don't have it, I'll let you know. Okay, guys, this is how the set came out. I am absolutely thrilled with this. If I didn't have a set already in mind, I might be putting this on my nails next, but I can definitely see it coming up in the near future. Let me know in the comment section below not only what you'd like to see on the channel, but would you wear this set? Do you like it? What do you like about it? What colors would you like to see it in? Because we can definitely do some recreation videos as well. Thanks so much for giving me your time and attention today. And please, if you don't mind, help me grow the channel by sharing this video. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.